I am Gauri Ghosh, science graduate. I was a teacher at Lalgonesh Vivekananda Vidyapit School. Suddenly, I had for an unusual position and lost controlling my body. But my relatives and my brother's son refused for taking shelter at their house. At that time, my elder brother's daughter Ruby Das, who is living in Bombay, he came and treated me, keeping in nursing home. After treatment, she has admitted at this ashram forever, coming in contact with Mujibur Rahman. I am spending the days of my old age with happiness. From childhood, I was devotee of Lord Sri Krishna. So I shall never thinking about my service, about my future life. Hmm. I was always thinking for finding God.